time. So I left my window open just to let you come inside. Saying that you'd never leave me was a lie. And there were times that my eyes were filled with water, but all the world was desert dry. So I hugged my pillow closer and I tried to close my eyes, but the sound of distant thunder made me cry. Late in rain, I hear you at my window. Late in rain, I need you softly falling on my face. Why did the sunshine come and take you away? Wake you again, my lady rain. I hear the sound of her breathing in the darkness. An autumn rain can turn to snow in the night. I'll be sleeping this September